Well, greetings everyone. I've certainly come a long way since my very first video, which I did, or one of my first videos, which was the N43 oil pressure control valve problem. Well, I've had nearly 20,000 views on that now in the last year. Just gone, 23, which is great. However, today I want to share some exciting news. I think I've actually found the problem, or one of the problems, what's causing it in majority, let's say 90% of the cases. Doing a timing chain today and yesterday, and I noticed that inside the sump pan, something quite interesting is going on. So without further ado, let's go straight to that now, and I'll show you what I found. And I think pretty much you guys and gals, if you do this, you might miss it because it's all dirty inside. So let's see. This will probably actually finally put to bed this mystery of why these N43s have got these massive oil pressure problems. Cleaning the valve, it's just a sticking plaster, right? Sometimes it breaks, you replace it, and it'll do it again in a couple of months. Do this, and it probably won't happen again. You'll have a good N43 for life. So it's been annoying me this for some time. I know a lot of you have been struggling basically with problems with the N43. So this is the sump pan I've just took off, but look what I've just found. It's not oil, is that? That's powder coating coming away. And that is not good. You might think it's oil, but it ain't oil. And this is the stuff that's going in the oil valve, definitely. I'm absolutely convinced of it. And it's like basically powder coating that's just coming away and rust, which you would find incredible how the hell it can rust when there's oil in there. And of course you see there's bits of metal everywhere really. But look, when you put brake cleaner on and you look at it, you realise it's just completely rusty. I've brake cleaned that and look, it's just pure rust. It's pure rust. So that's the issue, it's moisture. And I'm telling you now, that's because it never looks so much like metal to me. You might think it's metal, but look at that one there now. Look at them bubbles. They're going to break away, look, and when they break away, that looks an awful lot like what's on the valve. Yeah, so that's not good, is it? Get state of it. So I don't know how I'm going to get around that really, but that's quite alright, it's nice and soft is that, but all that shite there, that's the issue definitely. That's what's getting pulled into it. So you're going to have to get these sump pans and whack them in a parts washer. Don't try and mess about, just do your job right from day one. So we'll whack it in there so you can get all that crap off there now. The bit of luck, hopefully. Right, let's take a look at this, shall we? So finally, in my opinion, that's the reason. It's powder coating's coming off and it's knackering that oil valve up. Definitely that's the issue. You have to sand that somehow. Look at it. That's where I've been scraping it with this device here. Need to do something about that. Really, it needs a new sump pan, doesn't it? Let's be honest. But if it was aluminium, we wouldn't have half the same issues, would we? Right, let's go and get it on the bench. Yeah. I'll have to sand that, I think, but it's still there, look. It's a joke, isn't it? That's it, that's the cause of it, for sure. I don't have any other option really, but just to take this off. It's not ideal having bare metal. So what I'll do is, when I build it up, or before I put the gasket and bolts in, I'll just coat this with a light coating of oil. It should always stay there then, shouldn't it? Oil only goes up to this level here, so it's never usually got much oil, if any. The suction is about here, suction device. You can see what's been going wrong with it over years. And this took literally 2 minutes. That's how loose it all was. And it's just rust and powder coating, so it's rusting underneath and it's lifting a powder coating off from the rust, pushing it out from underneath, I think. This is quite okay, I'll leave this. I'll just put it in the machine now because this doesn't seem to have any issues with powder coating because it's always full of oil, you know. It must be when it gets hot and there's no oil to cool it and it just flakes off basically. And rust, of course. So that's your problem, it just sits there like that. And that is just sucking up all that crap. All that crap's coming off there, sitting on top of the oil. And every time you start the engine, it's just sucking up that top layer. And that's the issue basically in my eyes. And the other issue is that filter is crap. There you are. It's finally done. I'll just put a smear of fresh oil in there just to kind of protect it. Nothing else I can do. I'm not going to start painting it because that'll come off as well. So hopefully all will be right with it. So if you've got one of these N43s, thanks for watching my previous video. This is what you need to do.